So here is the entire system of this speaker. You can see the circuit and the battery, and obviously the speaker in the top. So let's get started. Sorry for the bad camera quality because I don't have a sufficient camera to record this. But first you have to put the overlap out and just fix the wires. And if you wanted to change the battery, here you can fix it easily. So in my case, the wires are just getting detached. So you have to know that the red wires are come from the battery and the black wires are come from a good input. So as you can see, there are 4 ports and you have to pick those wires very clearly and correctly. So 2 are for the battery and battery backup and charging, and the second 2 are for a good quality of sound or a vocal. So think about it and fix it properly. In my case, as I told you, that some wires are literally detached. But in case if your speaker or board got damaged, then nothing to worry about. You can also fix it just the same way. Just peel it out and change these things and you'll be able to do that. So this is a small video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you wanted to see this kind of videos from me, so let me know in the comment section below. Hey, this is Sharnavo signing off. Till you guys have a great day.